Golgi apparatus. Dun-dun. We'll be learning about. So today, Audrey will be learning about the Golgi apparatus. So if you can take a seat, that'll be perfect. Alright, good. So the Golgi apparatus. Now the Golgi apparatus has 5 chambers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the first chamber is called the cyst face. The second chamber is called the newly forming vesicle, and the third chamber is called the lumen. Now the fourth chamber, now that's a really tough word to pronounce, so pardon me if I do not say it right. Cisternæ. That might be in a test, so focus. And the very last one, the fifth chamber, is called the secretory vesicle. And yeah, any questions?
What's the structure of it?
Structure? Well, I guess I can tell you about that. So the structure for the Golgi apparatus, which is also called the Golgi complex, is commonly found in eukaryotic cells, which can also be ER because it's a long word to say. And the Golgi complex can be identified by its unique structures, which some might say that it looks like a maze, but in fact the structure is made of stacks of flattened membranous sacs, or cisternæ, which is in the fourth chamber. So yeah, and I believe class is just about dismissed, so you guys can be out a little bit early. So see you tomorrow. What they think about the Golgi's function is, yes, you blondie in the third row from the left. May you come up here? Alright, good. So what is the Golgi's function?
Just a second. Alright, I'll find it. I found it. Ready?
Alright, good.
The Golgi apparatus, or Golgi complex, is found in most cells. It's packing organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, and the Golgi apparatus gathers simple molecules and combines them to make big molecules more complex. It takes those bigger molecules, packs them into vesicles, and either stores them for later use or sends them out into the cell.
That doesn't sound like the Golgi's function.
Oh really?
Yeah, no, that's the Golgi's part to contribute to the overall cell.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Should I change that?
Yeah, for the future tests, you want to look back on your notes and, get them correct.
Okay.
So, class, what she just said there was how the Golgi helps and contributes to the cell, how it helps its buddies in containing the cells, maintaining stable balance. Alright, so the actual Golgi's function is that the Golgi takes proteins and modifies them and transports them to the nucleus. Now the Golgi also transports lipids around the cell, and it is also responsible for the creation of lipids for the cell to use. So that is the Golgi's function, and that is what we've been studying today. So you guys can go off. Thank you.
Bye, thank you.
Bye.
Hey, Dr. Hebner, how does this work with the ER?
Yes, Audrey? Oh, well, now the ER, so the Golgi's complex works closely with the rough ER. When a protein is made in the ER, something called a transition vesicle is made. The vesicle, or sac, floats through the cytoplasm to the Golgi apparatus and is absorbed. After the Golgi does its work on the molecules inside the sac, or secretory vesicle, is created and released into the cytoplasm. From there, the vesicle moves to the cell membrane and the molecules are released out of the cell. Does that answer your question?
That picture?
Yeah, just like that picture right there. So that's how the Golgi helps the ER. So yeah. Okay, so Audrey, you know how we were talking about the ectoplasm reticulum yesterday?
Yeah, the ER?
Yeah, exactly. So the Golgi creates liposomes for the whole cell to use. So like the Golgi contributes its part to the whole cell, and
It
so
helps every single part?
yeah, so it just helps it in